In this quick video, I want to show you step by step how you can make a snapshot of a certain part of your screen on a MacBook Pro or a MacBook Air, and it's very easy to do. And I have made a couple of screenshots to show you exactly how you can do that, so let me walk you through it. Of course, if you like these type of videos, make sure to like, also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So thanks a lot. So the first thing that you need to do to make a snapshot of a certain part of your screen is you have to click on the Shift, Command and the 4 key. So click on Shift, Command and the 4 key all together. After you have done that, you will see that your mouse cursor will change to this. And if it changes to this, that means now you can select a certain part of the screen that you want to make a snapshot for. So that's the first step. So after the cursor has changed, just click the left mouse button one time and hold it. Then select the part of the screen that you want to make the snapshot for. And after you have done that, then you can remove your finger off the left mouse button. And after that, it will automatically make the snapshot. And once that's done, the snapshot will be displayed. It's over here at the top right. So there is your file. That's the snapshot. And if you open it, here you can see that this is the snapshot that I've just created. So now it's just this image, and that's the way that you can make snapshots on a MacBook Pro or a MacBook Air. So as I said, it's very easy to do, and a quick summary is the first thing you have to do is you have to click on the Shift, Command and the 4 key. Then your mouse cursor will change. Then you need to click your left mouse button and hold it and select which part of your screen you want to take a snapshot from. After you have selected the area, just remove your finger from the mouse button, then automatically the snapshot will be taken and it will be stored on your desktop. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, make sure to like the video. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know in the comment section and I will try my best to help you out, or I will make a separate video about it. So thanks for watching and I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you back again in the next video.